Hello everyone, my name is Sumiayia Hasnat and this is my Sprint 3 presentation. Use your story as a bullet. I want to appear from the same position as the shooter moves so that I can appear from any present location of the shooter. Child, use your story as a bullet. I want to appear vertically from bottom to top so that I can kill the enemy. As a bullet, I want to move along with the shooters so that the game become more interesting. Acceptance criteria, the bullet will only appear in a linear direction from down to up. As soon as the bullet will enter the radius of the enemy will die. If the user will move to left at the game screen, the bullet will be thrown from the left. If the user will be moved to the right at the game screen, the bullet will be thrown from the right. User story is a bullet. I want to kill the enemy to earn points so that shooter can win the game. Child user story as a bullet. I want to target the enemy so that the enemy will appear with a destroying effect. As a bullet, I want to kill the enemy so that the enemy will die and user moves to the next level. Acceptance criteria, the bullet will appear as soon as the user will hit the spacebar on the keyboard. As soon as the bullet will enter to the radius of the enemy will die. If the bullet kills the enemy, then 100 points will be added to the game score. The bullet will only appear in a linear direction. User story as an UFO, I want to appear at a random position, flies horizontally back and forth so that the gamer cannot shoot me easily. Child user story as a UFO, I want to distract the shooter by changing the position so that the user cannot target me easily. As a UFO, I want to move rapidly so that I won't get killed by missile or bullet. The UFO will appear from random position of the screen. The UFO will bouncing on the edge of the game screen horizontally, so it won't leave the game scene. The change of the location of the game screen will have the UFO to save itself from the shooter, and the UFO will disappear as soon as it gets hit by a weapon. User story as a UFO, I want to appear at unpredictable times so that the gamer cannot guess when I will appear. Child user story as a UFO, I want to moving in a timely manner, so I will be moving every second. So I'll be moving every second so that the user won't be able to guess where I will appear from. As a UFO, I want to move my position every unit of time so that the user can get more points. UFO will be changing location with time. It will be moving with time to get mistargeted by the gamer. UFO will stop the user from getting points by changing location with time. If user gets hit by an UFO, gamer will lose health condition for each collision. So here's the project, and so as we see the UFO is moving back and forth horizontally from one edge to another, and it's bouncing, and it's trying to change its location to make sure that if the user will hit the user will hit the bullet, so it's going to be saving itself from the bullet or any kind of weapon. And also if I will have press the space bar, it's going to be throwing bullets from that particular location of the shooter. So here you go. If we go to the right and press the space bar, it's going to be moving with the shooter. So, and it's going to be only going in a linear direction, so it's going to be going from bottom to top with the shooter. So that's pretty much it, and each time I'm going to hit any UFO is going to be adding points at the game scoreboard. So that's pretty much it, and I'm going to be hitting any UFO is going to be I'm going to be losing my health level. So since it was 16, now I'm losing one health bar, so it's going to be it was 18 and I lost one, so it's 17 right now. So thank you so much for watching. Thanks a lot. Bye bye.